The washing machine is here. Like this, she's off. Then choose your program. It will be on as soon as you choose a program. Here you have all the programs. I would advise always a mixed program, like this 7, this number 4, the number 14. Those are good, or the synthetics, something like that. That is easy. So for example here, number 4. Then choose the rotation, pick a softer one so you don't damage your clothes. This is to fasten up the program, it gets faster. Then you just need to press initiate. Don't forget to put your clothes inside here. The powder goes here or here also if you want to do a pre-wash, but here and here the softener. Initiate. When you're finished, put this back here and it will be